Hello students, welcome to the session. In the previous class I discussed with you about the separation of substances on the basis of their properties. We discussed about the threshing, we discussed about the hand picking part. Today we will discuss about the winnowing and sieving method. So what is winnowing? This method is used to separate the chaff from the grain by wind or blowing air, and this method is known as winnowing. So in this method the mixture of chaff and grain is taken in the winnowing basket, and the farmer stand at the higher level and let the mixture fall on the ground. So the grain being heavier falls almost vertically, whereas the chaff is lighter and it is carried away with the help of wind and forms a separated heap away from the grain. So the separated chaff is used as a fodder for the cattle, and the direction of wind plays an important role in the process of winnowing. So this method is known as the winnowing. So move on to the next. Other method is sieving method. So this method of separation is very important because we used to see in our daily life if the component of mixture are of different sizes, they can be separated by the sieving method. So the smaller component passes through the pores of the sieve, like this man standing on the construction site, whereas the larger component is left behind in it. This method is used in some homes to separate wheat bran, the bigger particles, from flour. So the person standing here separating the pebbles and stones removed from the sand. Sand actually separate from the pebbles and stones. These pebbles and stones carried away on the pores, but the lighter small particles of sand separated from these pebbles and stones. So the sieving wheat flour is not advisable, as the bigger particle of wheat or wheat bran which is removed during the sieving is very rich in nutrient, and is also better to remove visible impurities by hand picking. That means if you want to separate the wheat bran from flour, you can easily use the hand picking method rather than use the sieving method, because it carried away the nutrient particles. So the process of sieving is used to separate the pebbles and stones, as I told you just now, from the sand at the construction site. The stones and pebbles present in the mixture remain in the sieve, and the fine particles pass through the holes of the sieve. So this method of separation is known as the sieving method. So we discussed four methods of separation. One is hand picking, another one is threshing, next one is winnowing, and fourth one is sieving. In the next class we will see the method of separation, that is sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Thank you. Have a nice day.